Beautiful, see the world that way. You'll say yes to anything, believe in what they say.
I know there's no cord.
Take a walk.
I want to get a pair of
For my soul, you're ultraviolet. And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow the song, serenade.
You always this lit. It's all that you always this lit. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper.
Of course she does. Just smile and hush. And in my eyes I'll fall asleep. Your gracious touch is numb.
Well, hello there. Welcome back to another vlog. It is currently midterms week and homecoming week. So all my midterms were yesterday. I had a geotech midterm and then an aerial silks quiz type of deal. Geotech was like, when it comes to those, it was open book. But whenever like an engineer professor says open book, it literally means make your own equation sheet, find all the tables so they don't have to do it. But it was like, pretty hard. But when in doubt, just put down all that you know and hope for partial credit on the problems. But it has been the most chill midterms week ever. I remember when all my midterms would be all together in just 1 week, and like back then I used to have like 3 exams and then a final for like my classes, but now it's just a midterm and a final, which is like less work and less stress to study and all that. But today is another day and I'm going to New Orleans for a honey concert because my friend, my roommate Lauren is going, and I just want to go for fun and I have nothing else. But yeah, I need to edit a video and then just do a bunch of other things. But that is it for this week. There's gonna be a game, which I think we're gonna lose really badly too. We have some homecoming stuff like Fall Fest. Oh, we went to a Swae concert, which was like so fun. That was also the night before my geotech midterm, so I didn't really study that hard for the geotech midterm because I thought it was gonna be easier than what it was. But hey, it's whatever. It's done. But yeah, that is a synopsis for the week, I guess. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you want to subscribe, you don't have to. But yeah, that's it.
I wrote a note upon my hand today. It said I should take a look around. Not gonna make the same mistakes, no way.
After Thursday
I'm
night,
letting everybody down. And it seems so very clear that I'm just wasting my years.
Man, coming at me.
The same, going through the motions without you, babe. 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 1, 2, 3.
So it's been a while. It feels like I haven't gone to school this entire week because I just been doing like fun things like the Swae concert and then going to another concert in New Orleans, and then like today was Fall Fest, and I did have midterms, but it feels like it didn't happen for some reason. But like now I'm just like so tired and just drained and just need to like chill for a moment. I do have an issue with saying yes to everything. Like if someone was like, hey, you want to go grab boba or like go do this or do that, I'm like, yeah, even though like I'm tired and I have my own things to do. But I think I'm gonna take a nap, and then I think my roommates and I are gonna like make some drinks tonight and just like watch a movie or something. We do that all the time. And then tomorrow is the homecoming game against Florida, and it's at 11 a.m. So yeah, that is the update of what's happening and what's going on. But yeah, cheers.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. That each spoke the same night, the same dream, same pain and same each led like sheep, stepped foot to sea, drowning oh so patiently. Sand people sit and wait anxiously.